Hi everybody. I'll just give a quick sample of some of the things that we do in the science department in order to meet the ISTE standards. We have lots of opportunities actually to discover and use technology in order to construct knowledge, inquiry, investigate, and all those things. So this is just one example, but there are some neat simulations online that we can use. This one, for example, allows students to discover reversible reactions. It gives a simulation on reversible reactions and basically allows students to see what might happen if a reaction occurs and in one direction, but also it's occurring in the other direction as well. So we run this simulation in my chemistry class, and the students are able to run the simulation and then analyze the data. They collect data, they collect information, they make graphs, they make charts, and really what they're using is this simulation, this technology, in order to discover and come up with some of the concepts on their own. So I give them a worksheet that helps them just first investigate and mess around with the simulation, some suggestions on what they could do, and then they need to, in part two, use this simulation, this technology in order to investigate and develop a connection between two variables. And they set the parameters, they come up with the variables, they determine what the control variable is, independent variable, all that stuff. And then they have to decide what kind of data they're going to create or gather, a table, a graph, and then write their conclusion. So again, just using technology to help them construct their own knowledge, help them to investigate and discover. We also then supplement the simulation with using Excel spreadsheet. Once they figure out some of the mathematics of reversible reactions, then they can develop formulas and see the pattern that is occurring, that's happening when you have a reversible reaction reaching equilibrium. But in any case, we use Excel spreadsheet in order to also show the dynamics of a reversible reaction. So thanks for letting me share, and doing some neat things in the science department, and appreciate my colleagues and all that they do to make the science department a wonderful department to work with. Thanks. This is bonus footage, by the way. This is like post-credit clip for everybody. So if you stuck around after the credits, this is for you. We also in the science department have these wonderful probes that we use, and probes and sensors. This one, for example, is a pH sensor that you're looking at. But we're able to take all these probes, we have them for biology, anatomy, physics, and chemistry, plug them into the students' computers or into a little mini interface there, like a LabQuest. And the kids can collect data and use that data in order to analyze it and make sense of what they're looking at. So it is a great way for us to use these in the labs and then supplement students' learning. So thank you.